Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Erica and I create beauty videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle videos. So if those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below for me. So today we are going to be doing a sleek bun. I've done this numerous of times, but I never film it, so I was like, let me just film this hair look. And honestly, y'all, my hair came out just, yeah. I used some different products in this video, so I took risks on camera and she came out real nice. So if you want to see how I got my sleek bun, stay tuned. Alright, so we are starting out on freshly washed hair. So let me get myself together. Still a lot of water in my hair. I try to let it dry a little bit, but it only works when my hair is like washed. Like I can only start on like wet to damp hair when I'm doing my sleek ponytails or buns. So I'm just gonna like separate the front and the back. See if I can do this. And I like to start off slicking the back of my hair down. I'm gonna take out this roll. I just don't like wet hair. I do not like wet hair touching my body, like dripping. I can't, or I mean, yeah, like I cannot. So for products, I'm just going to be playing around with the Murray's Beeswax. Like we have this in our hair kit, me and my mom or whatever. And we were trying to use them for her dreads, but they did not work for her. So I was like, well, I didn't want to throw away. Like, these are like new products. I didn't want to throw it away. So I was like, I guess I could use it on my natural hair. And I think you can. Like, I looked up a video. I seen it. People like doing that. So I think I'm going to do the beeswax on first. And, I think I'm going to do my Ecostyler gel. I'm just using the olive oil gel. And I think I'm going to apply the olive oil wrap set mousse on top and lay that down. So that's products for today. I've seen good reviews about it, but I don't know how this is going to work with this wet hair. Maybe it's more so for dry hair. I don't know. We're gonna see. So now I'm just taking, I don't know if that wax gonna work. That wax might work. It's super thick. It might be good on the edges. It might be good on top. But I'm gonna put that Ecostyler all over, and I don't try to get it as perfect as possible. Y'all, literally just slick my hair. So I'm going in with the Ecostyler first. I think I'm gonna use the beeswax as a topper, but I need to get this moisturized and laid. Y'all cannot stand hair in my products. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I hope you guys are doing well. We are in September of 2020 and we are still here, which is a huge blessing. It's getting crazy. It's honestly getting really scary and crazy around here, like, but I'm grateful because a lot of people have been dealing with death and everything in their families and stuff, and I'm super fortunate to say that my family has not experienced that with everything going on. So grateful. So I just hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. It's hard. I'm trying to take care of myself. It's hard. It's hard out here. Fuck y'all, okay? But yeah. So now I'm just going to be doing the top. So I said I want a middle points. Yeah, I gotta map this thing out. And I'm just taking that Ecostyler again and laying it. That Ecostyler just does something. It just works with my hair so well. Alright, so the Ecostyler is pretty much plastered on my head. So now I'm just going to be going in with this wax, y'all. Like I said, this wax is stupid thick. Like, it is thick. It is like, it's a locking gel. Like, yeah, you can lock hair with it. So I'm just going to go on top with that. My God. Freaking hair everywhere. I'm gonna go on top. It's so thick you can't. I'm gonna be testing out a twist out using this product because I know the twist out has to be long. My hair is the type of hair that needs something to be thick and it needs penetration. Now I don't want to put too much on this edge because like I said, I want to do a little bit, not really baby hairs, but like I'll do little swoops and stuff on my hair. Bands so I can get as tight as possible. Oh yes, yes, yes. And my ponytails be low. I like them low. So this gonna get me through the rest of my week. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of that wax because I'm being extra right now. But what do I want to do? Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of wax on top again. Just, oh my gosh. I hope it don't like, it looks white on here. To me, it does look white. But hopefully it dries and it'll be fun. Girl, she laid. Hair is laid. This is why I do it on wet hair, because I don't think I can get these results on dry hair. Like, it's not gonna work for me. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to lay my edges. I was gonna use my EBIN Extreme Hold, but I'm gonna try this wax for now. Oh no, I better not do that. Let's see. It looks super white, like you can see that. Let's see. And my brush is way too soft for this product. Have to use this little brush. Ooh. No pain, no gain, right? Oh god, this brush hurts so bad, but bruh, I need this brush. Like, I need this brush. I guess I'll do a little shanty, a little bit shanties. I'll fix that in a second. I hope this thing dry clear though. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the foam. I'm going to attempt to do some kind of sleekage baby hair deal. I'm gonna apply this mousse on top. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna do my makeup, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the finished results. Alright guys, so I let my hair marinate. I would say about 30 to 45 minutes. It kind of just took me that long to do my makeup, and then, you know, I was on social media. So let's see what we looking like. Yeah, and I can feel like the wax here, I guess it'll dry completely, but she is laid. Hair is laid and sleek, and I just did a little bun in the back, nothing really special. And I'm gonna just pin it, just beeswax sticking to my hand. Yeah. Alright guys, so this is all I have for you. If you have not subscribed to my channel as of yet, what are you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button. Join my gang, my family. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you will not miss my next upload. Leave me a comment and share this video with your friends. Okay, we are trying to get to 100 subscribers. I don't know if you know that, but we are trying to get to 100 subscribers over here on this channel. So make sure you guys do that. And as always, I will see y'all in my next video.